Guys, here is room 2102 here in Manila Ocean Park. At ito ang aming room. Okay, roommate ko si Didi. Yes. So, we have two beds, twin beds. Tapos, well, the toiletries is here. Yan. So, yung parang counter is outside the comfort room. 'Di ba normally, itong mga to, nasa loob to ng ano natin ng bathroom, pero ito nasa labas. So, separated ang water closet from the shower. So, the same hot and cold. Ayan. And so, we have the towels, the normal TV. May ba full-length mirror here. Tapos yung lalagyanan ng mga gamit natin. Coffee, I don't think meron ba. What's this? So, coffee, sugar, creamer. Okay, there. Closet. Mini ref, ewan ko ano laman. So, may ba wifi ba? Tapos may room service. So, sustainable hotel yata to. So, walang bottled water. Meron silang water dispenser. Ayan. Pati tuloy mga changing of seats by request lang. And the best part is overlooking ang water area. Normally, doon yung mga penguin. Hindi ko alam kung first time kong nakita ito. I've been here several times, pero yung water pool area na yan, hindi ko pa yan encounter before. So, I think it's a new venue. Kasi dati dyan yung penguin Diyan. Sea lion pala, sorry. Diyan nagpe-perform. So, don't mind the Manila Bay dirts. Okay, so, mag-ano na tayo muna.